Revolut Business Travel App Review, Usage Experience. Links to Revolut Business are in the description below. Revolut Business is a powerful financial management platform designed for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and businesses that need a flexible, multi-currency banking solution with real-time control. Unlike traditional banks, Revolut Business offers borderless banking, allowing users to send, receive, and exchange money in 25-plus currencies at interbank rates, making it an ideal choice for international business travelers and remote teams. One of its standout features is the multi-currency accounts, where businesses can hold and manage money in different currencies without excessive fees. It also provides virtual and physical company cards, enabling teams to make payments worldwide while keeping track of expenses in real time. With automated expense management, business owners can set spending limits, categorize transactions, and simplify accounting with direct integrations into Xero, QuickBooks, and other accounting software. For frequent business travelers, Revolut Business offers fee-free international spending, helping users avoid high foreign exchange fees. The app also includes instant invoice generation and payment tracking, ensuring businesses get paid faster. With Revolut Connect, users can integrate with tools like Slack, Zapier, and more, streamlining operations. Security is a top priority, with real-time spending notifications, biometric authentication, and the ability to freeze or unfreeze cards instantly. Additionally, Revolut Business offers borderless payment links, allowing businesses to accept payments without needing a website or merchant account. However, Revolut Business is not free, and while it offers different pricing plans, some premium features are only available in higher-tier accounts. Additionally, cash deposits are not supported, so businesses dealing with physical cash may find it limiting. Overall, Revolut Business is an excellent banking and financial management tool for businesses operating internationally. With its multi-currency support, expense tracking, and automation features, it provides everything a modern business needs to manage finances efficiently while traveling. If you're looking for a smart, flexible, and cost-effective alternative to traditional business banking, Revolut Business is a strong choice.